Hey everybody in YouTube land, Eric Pfaff, 1968 here. I don't know if you guys can hear that weather in the back, but man, it's crazy windy and rainy and crazy windy here. Got something today in the mail. Amazon, thank you for delivering on Sunday. UPS, whoever does it, thank you. I appreciate you. It's kind of nice. Showed up to church a little bit too late, halfway through the sermon, because the time starts 15 minutes earlier. So anyway, got a little unboxing here. I have no idea about these things because I've never wore the electric muffs before. I only just wear the plain old regular ones. So you grab the handy scissors here. And we're gonna open this the way I like to open everything, and just cut right through the package. Oh yeah. And then we can just pull that apart, voila, and voila, there they are. They're pretty nice. I like them. Very compact. They do make a hard carrying case, which I may end up getting one of these days. I'm not really sure. Oh, and the batteries are included, which is kind of cool. They're pretty nice. I actually am pretty impressed. The quality feels instruction manual. Why do they even put these instruction manuals in here? Who reads these things? I know that we all open this stuff up and do our own thing with it, and then we probably end up grabbing this thing at some point and reading it. Us guys, we'll just put it to the side for now, though. Wow, I like them. Walkers, razors. So now I was going to get the one with the patch on the side that goes right here with the flag, and you can buy a little patch kit that goes with it, but I don't really care about that. That's not what I bought them, because they're functional. Wow, can't hear anything even just without, I can't hear anything. It's pretty sweet. Wish we had a switch we could do that. Alright, I'm gonna pause it here for a sec. Okay, so I figured it out. Took me a minute to find the battery door. To be honest with you, I looked at the directions and stuff. I know where the batteries went. These things are awesome. I can't believe I didn't pull the trigger on these when I bought my AR. I just thought some simple old crappy earmuffs would work. I bought some, they were like pretty good. The noise reduction was actually better than these, but they didn't do what these do. These are incredible, and these actually come with a little USB slot, or not USB slot, but you can, put something in there so you can communicate, or you can listen to music, or do whatever. You plug your phone in with an aux cable and rock out while you're shooting, which I won't be doing. But I'm curious to know if you can hook up a mic set with that. I don't know. I don't know anything about these things, really. I'm kind of a novice to the whole shooting thing. I was in the service, but I wasn't in it for very long, and I didn't do a whole ton of shooting in there. I actually probably did more shooting as a civilian, but I still don't know a ton about. And so I'm super anxious to get out to the range with these. Shoot my PC carbine again, because I think I figured out why it was malfunctioning. Like, I had 20 malfunctions out of probably, I don't know, a couple hundred rounds, maybe 300 rounds. But brand new gun, it shouldn't do that. So, but walkers, razor, these things are sweet. They feel really nice. The outside feels really good. The headband feels really good. They feel really good on. And you can hear everything. I can hear myself talking right now. I mean, it's pretty cool. So I'm expecting, hopefully when I go shoot, that they work as well. So we'll find out. I'll probably do a range video, and let y'all know how it went. So that's my unboxing of my new Walker's Razor earmuffs, electric earmuffs, and they're pretty cool. I gotta say, they're pretty cool. I really like the way they look. Good quality, just super good quality. Anyway, that's it for now. Love that. It's gonna fit right into my brand new range bag that I have coming, which I will be doing an unboxing of that too, because I'm bored. I'm not working right now, so I'm just gonna unbox. I got some other stuff coming too. I'm gonna do probably 2 or 3 more unboxing videos for your enjoyment. If anybody ever watches my videos, remember, Jesus loves you. He's always waiting for you. Anytime you can accept him, right the second if you want. As soon as you're done watching this video, you can get to your knees and say, Jesus, please accept me as I am. Come into my heart, live in me. Help me do good, which is really hard to do in this world. I'm sorry, but this world's going crazy. Anyway, be kind, be good, and just be kind. You don't know what people are going through in their day-to-day life. All right, love y'all. I'm out.